What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. All right, you guys, I have 10 more minutes before they close. I'm gonna try to grab one more video for you guys. We have so many like sensory toys over here, bubble burst minis that are new. I love the pink and blue infinity blocks. I think the colors are just so pretty. And if you guys love the twisty tubes, they have all different colors here. We also have bundles of twisty tubes. Yes, you guys, there's so many items. What are they calling this? Kamagami? If you guys are my age, you remember when we used to fold the paper, when we used to do the little things and then you'd open it up and see your fortune inside. That's what these are like. But oh my gosh, you guys. I wish I came in here earlier. What is this? Ooh, look at this. I love this. Wow. I think I could play with this all day. Look at this. We have plush journals. Love that. The Morning Magic 5-minute journal, inspiring prompts to set intentions and live with gratitude all day. I love the idea of that. Jumbo playing cards, gummy bear series. That sounds so cute. We also have sushi playing cards. A mini labyrinth. We have tons of games. I really want to get back here on a regular basis. It's just been so hard to fit it in lately. I don't think I've been leaving early enough, but I'm always longing for Five Below, and I just need to get back to a regular filming schedule. Kawaii kitties, so cute. We have Encanto with 30 different stickers. Okay, you guys, let's take a quick peek over here in room. $5.55 for this, $3 for this. This is, how much are you? $4. It's really sturdy and cute too. Faux plants, pillows. These are so cute. We have more pillows over here. We have lots of sports bras and shorts. More, even more. We have bike shorts, super cute. We have gray, we have black. To all my butterfly lovers. We have lemons. This one feels very 60s. And then over here we have tank tops, and we have some shorts, jean shorts, more tanks. You guys are like, go back to room, go back to room. But you guys know how it is when you run in here last minute, you're like, oh my gosh, all over the place. I know I'm all over the place, you guys. I'm so sorry. Let's take a quick peek. LED rainbow. We have brand new LED daisy. We have LED peace sign. So cute. One that says gamer. Some fountains. Hollywood vanity string lights. All the dog toys, the cat toys. Dog licking mats. A slow feeder puzzle toy. Okay, we made it to makeup, you guys. We have tons of Wet n Wild. I'm looking to see if we have anything new. These colors are so pretty. This is all LA colors. Buy 4, get 1 free Freeman. Sleepy Time Eye Whipped Mask, or Whipped Eye Mask. We have an Ultra Healing Cream Mask, a Relaxed Jelly Mask, a Purifying Cream. This is another Sleepy Whipped, but this is for face, and this one is for eye. We even have Instant Foot Peeling Spray. Let me know in the comments, would you try this? Would you try a foot peeling spray? We also have an energizing jelly mask, more overnight foot stuff, foot treatments, a foot lotion, Just so many items from Freeman. Like they have really, can you guys see? They have really expanded their collection here at Five Below. I love it. Pretty Woman. Pretty Woman. I love it when they have glitter polishes. Glam Artist. I think this one might be new. Glam Artist. Forever Chic. Pastel Prism. Neon Brights. Boss Lady. Okay, what else? We also have Blur to Perfection. I think that's new, and Keep It Glassy. But I think the 24K primer, no, 24K prime has been here. Okay, let's see if we have any new fragrances. A lot of these are Kim Kardashian dupes. We also have a lot of Britney Spears dupes over here. Again, looking for new stuff. I think this Away is brand new. Yeah, you guys, I don't think we have any new fragrances over here right now. Just a girl boss building her empire. Okay, I like that. Just a girl boss building her empire. In a world where you can be anything, be yourself. I've got that girl boss hustle. I just want to eat, sleep, and buy makeup. And then we also have Home. Home is where your makeup stash is. But I really love this one. Just a girl boss building her empire. Love that. I wish I had so much more time, you guys. I'm gonna have to try to find a way to get in here next week. I've just been so busy with appointments lately. It's been really hard. I've been doing physical therapy and just been super busy lately. Wow, you guys, these are brand new. I really like the color. These are brand new. I believe the black is back, and I believe the camo, I think it's new also. And then we have some new jammies. We have some new little like rompers that are kind of like silky sweats material with pockets. Green, blue, and black. Yes, you guys, there's just so much in here. So much. And every time you come in, don't forget to check out the clearance, because the clearance is really, really good. Okay, we have things as low as 50 cents up to $2.50. So nothing is lower than 50 cents and nothing is more expensive than $2.50. I mean, unless you see a phone case. Okay, so that's gonna be half off $5.55. This is so cute though, you guys, if you love Peeps. We have tons of phone cases. Peeps lip balm. Aw, the cute mini plush Haribo. We have other little Haribos. These are collectible figures, you guys. This is not candy. I want this one. Super cute. Yeti for Getty. We have Marvel. We have yoga sling mats. The little straps. Okay, honey. Thank you. All right, you guys. Well, they are closing, which means I need to get out of here, you guys. I am so happy that I was able to film the amount of videos that I filmed for you guys in here. And I'll be back, you guys. Tell me where I should start next time in my very next video, you guys, because I'm going to be back sooner than later. I am going to make it here, and I'm going to make it here very soon. Oh my gosh, you guys, we even have the super cute Dazzle Duckies. All right, you guys, well, it was a lot of fun. I can't wait to come back and look around at everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.